vid'skitchen. Today we are going to make my favorite cheese toast. The ingredients for this cheese toast is we need two toasts of bread. Then we also need mild cheddar cheese. We also need a little bit of butter. We also need some pepper. Just like a sprinkle. It depends how spicy you want it to be. If you want it to be very spicy, you can put a lot. But if you want it to be less spicy, you put less. Now I'm going to stuff the cheese into the bread. So first I'll take a little bit of cheese and then I'll take some cheese here. Ooh, it is very delicious. More bread. I like cheese in my cheese toast. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of sprinkles on top. Now I'll make them go evenly, so not only one part of the thing is spicy and the other part is not spicy. Okay, now let me actually stuff it so I put it right. Okay, and now we're going to put the butter into the toaster. So first we're going to okay, and then now it's melting. While it's melting, we're going to put the cheese toast inside. Okay. Now let me close it so it can enter softly and become nice and crispy. I have put in the butter on both sides of the bread, so then both sides become golden brown and crispy. Now let me open the toaster and show you guys how it looks. Oh, look. Be very careful you don't touch the bread. It can be very hot. So I'm going to tell my mother to put it on the plate because I don't want to burn my hand. You can stuff the cheese toast with nearly anything you want. You can stuff it with eggs, if you're a vegetarian, of course you can stuff it with vegetables, and if you are a non-veg, you can put chicken in it, fish in it, whatever you want, or even ketchup in it. A cheese toast doesn't only mean it has only cheese, you can have other things, but I like it plain, I like my plain cheese toast. Let me taste the cheese toast. Oh!